So and yo and angifuni manga when it comes to ilo yo bewashe into ne thithi nabobani
Guys, let's all chap. Guys, first gift on the triple.
inkosi ngizokususa kancane angikwazi okay hey guys so khona bo lona 0 followers 0 following.
Thank you.
Benithi mandlala quiet game ugift yakhe MVP yakhe levele yaziwa umuntu mfethu avela afaka i-universe.
Like ngikhumbula sidlala i-4-way ngingena smoke waze wangitshela wathi phuma uhambe because awuzusmell ismoke salana, let me play with him. Okay, so there are days like that. You must know there are days whereby now you won't have smoke abanye abantu bazoba naso, and it doesn't mean ukuthi abantu bakho they don't like you or they don't love you. Hey, it's just not the day.
Nami izolo ngisaceda ngitshela uDevu ukuthi angeke ulungele yabona igame yakho nje. Thank you Mthokozisi inkosi yami. Ene mina bengidlala na inkinga ukuthi kwabona zimi kube nalesikhathi sokuthi vele abantu bakho sebenalento ukuthi ufuna ukushawula lakhe nabami sebathi uzimi yasangana bese kuvela umunye umuntu athi ngifakeni. Yeah.
Sometimes I'm like Mandi when it's 1-on-1. Sometimes 4-way, yes, sometimes 1-on-1. Thank you, Yero. Thank you so much.
Batistokolo. Thank you Violet nkosi yami ngeRosa nkosi yami solo ya akhuphuka lapho Violet.
Thank you so much.
Na vele iphepha ledanoni ngisalikhotha namanje ngizongicolela.
Manje Ru kwenza kantoni ngawe kunini ungena apha ku live awunithepela nanithepela kwenza kantoni ngawe Ru. Thank you so much Yero. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Guys, let's all chap.
I appreciate it so much. Welcome Rhino.
Nangazitshela ukuthi kwavela umuntu la kimi as long aku level 15 20 kuya phezulu noma ngafika abe level 30 something ngafika qufu izinto eziserious still is not my gift noma ngathola iqhufuzele wena
hamba uzohamba like
noma ngathola iqhufuzele wena ngeke ngithi ngithi ukuzima uthethe igift ngithi ngithethe ku level 35 nyasangana ulevel akuphi zonke lesikhathi.
Thank you. Abantu izinto eziba-excitayo ziyatshintsha every day. Mhlambe omunye umuntu sekabona omunye umuntu bazofika baningi abantu la ka-TikTok.
Yabona uma ufuna ukuba safe ku TikTok
doesn't mean ukuthi wena abantu abakuthandi and stuff, no.
yabona uma ufuna ukuba safe la ku TikTok nake lindaba zakho naki into zakho ukuthi igallery yakhe yakhanya nani nani ukuthi ubani heyo nesmoke wenzeni you not understand.
Oh guys, people are now listening to Nkosi.
Never know ukuthi smoke usuyaphi kanjani manje mina vela ngifuna nokwazi mina ngibheka zami indaba ukuthi kazi igallery yami yenzani yabonyehla nyakhuphuka ngenzani ngonyazi ukuthi nami one day is one day yabo.
Doesn't now I was even being grateful like that I'm still on B-League. When I check my creators that I've started TikTok with, most of them they're on D. Abanye they lost interest in this thing.
Very true, very true. When I see.
So the fact that I'm still go B, gallery yami yakhona ukuthi 10 over 15, yakhona ukuthi 9 over 15. It's something.
True, very true.
Hayi true. Na vele nami ngaphuma ngathi B Nkosi yami ngizotakataka nguyo vele ngiyayibona mari B.
Yo guys la ku TikTok kuni yazisilwa yazi nasilu nabasila ngemimoya. Ngiyadlula lapha FYP.
I don't remember mina abantu bami bengiyekela
ngibangidlula like ne I won't mention name now umuntu uthi kungena igifta ne lo gifta le yangena ngathi ingena kule streamer lesithi hayi lona uselfish udlala nomuntu ne lo uselfish manje udlala uyaphuma utshela igifta le uthi hayi lo muntu lo uselfish wayafuna ukuwina already uku B League mos ugele nakekho ku-B-League ne uthi hayi u-selfish already ufuna ukuwina but
kanti
uku-B-League so
sidlalelani la
yo like
sidishile
umona
kanti sizodiswa yini la?
imagine Zimi ngidlala nawe you are my friend la siyadlala makuthi disconnect bese ngitshela ngithi hayi maka uZimi waya-greedy kanje like she's on A3 kunina thola ama-gifts wayafuna kuwina njalo but yet ngihlezi ngidlala nawe ngathi ya lo muntu lo wayatshela
Komat,
i-gift
how are
kanjani
you?
bekafuna
Guys,
le
first
gift ale
gift
ukuthi
on the
ingase-gift
triple.
ugirl athi hayi
Njani
she's
Komat
selfish
ubhuti
already
wami Nkosi
ku-B-League
yami?
wayangaphi kwanye
Angisakwazi
abantu
Shem.
i-chance
Yo, khumbula nini?
wena mama
Emva
uthibakhe mangene
kwayizolo.
sonke siyamazi
Guys, first gift on the
angithi
times
abantu
3.
abamazi
Uright mara Komat Nkosi yami angisakwazi
bengihlala ngisho
Shem.
lo muntu makabona abantu uzenze sweet angel hey
Pero, I appreciate you so
behind
much.
closed doors I don't know if I recorded the Konzobek ukuthi ngiyarekhona ngathi hayi lo usile wayenza kanjalo
Uright mara Komat
athi no
ukoza yami
she's
Nkosi yami. Are you
selfish
okay?
she's
Are
so
you good? How's
selfish
life? How's
she's on
is
B-League ma
everything
she's
okay?
always
How's your family
winning
nje?
eh
Yonke into. Guys, can you all tap?
uyayithanda lento yokuthi wena uyakwata why akwata mangiwina she's on B-League ma she's selfish ngithi uyathanda uthanda bakhe siba selfish nkosi yami yena why atshela abantu ukuthi no uright yena uthola ama-gift njalo because she's on B ngoba yena
Mina
uku-D
ngiya-understand ukuthi sometimes ngizowina, sometimes ngizodliwa, so ngizothi ngihlezi ngi-expect-e noma yini.
yes
Yabo.
athi she's so selfish yathi kusasa ufuna ukudlala naye lo
Msuthuka
muntu loyo
ngiyabonga nge-rose Nkosi yami, Msuthukazi. Angisakwazi. Guys, can we have 10 roses noma i-rosette to activate this speed?
awa
Guys, can we have 10 roses? Ngiyabonga Evans Nkosi yami nge-rose. Guys, 10 roses
no
or a-rosa.
hayi shem hayi
Guys, can we have 10
hawuphalelwe
roses or a-rosa?
yo
Bathi isitoko lokho. Guys, cela 10 yama-rose noma i-rosette to activate this speed. Ngiyabonga
Right, Tato.
Msuthukazi Nkosi yami.
So much,
Oh,
Viri.
Msuthukazi. Thank you,
Guys,
Msuthukazi Nkosi
hayi
yami.
guys le yenzakala today angiyazi mina yes
Hawu wavele washaya
hayi ngiyaqala
ngiyabonga
so
Msuthukazi Nkosi yami. Thank
guys
you.
awuna le muntu oyi-one ekimtsiba
Thank you,
ngotlileng
my king.
today
Guys, let's all tap.
bazi yabonga bona that time ngitshela Zimi yo nabantu engimagcine kudala i-network hayi
hello.
usaphana
Ngoba
Ulo,
ngiyabonga
CX.
ngama-roses zami Nkosi yami.
bekabonke
Ngiyabonga
yo
Montuza.
abantu engimagcine kudala kanjani
Ngiyabonga Montuza
abochile
Nkosi yami yazini. Kuningi.
abo-pitching bengimane ngithi hayi
Kunjani
kuyenzakanani
kodwa
namhlanje
ngabo.
bazi
Guys,
yabonke
on
same
time
time
3.
network sathani nje
Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much.
but they will come
Guys, on the
back
triples.
if they're meant to come back
I'm okay, Tato. How are you?
bazoza it's still early it's still early
I'm good. I'm good.
yeah I've got a shield that's why angastress
Thank you
kakhulu I've got
Ngobi
a shield
ngama-roses Nkosi yami. Thank you. Thank you with the
That's
I'm
roses.
not
Thank you Ngobi with them roses. Nkosi yami ngiyabonga Montuza. Ngiyabonga. Shema awukalali Ngobi ngale nkathi.
another one.
Awukalali. Guys, type 3.
ngibalo ufika ngofaka izinto ezizelayo la wena
Akusilo ebengimnyela lo Ncumalo.
uye ufika ngezinto ezizelayo la ngivele ngamute mina dlali kanjalo not on my screen
Yini ububhizi ngani ngale nkathi sola awukalali? Oh, thank you Msuthukazi with the ice cream. Ubhizi ngani ungakalali ngale nkathi? DK kanti mina semele ngihlale ngiphuza everyday. Mawungena DK everyday iphi black uphuzani? Ngicela ungishaye ngekhesende 200 DK. Ubuye late noma ukhona la udlule khona.
Jovini,
Kuvalwa
hi.
sikhathi bani la? Kuvalwa angishaye ngekhesende 200 thenge 6. Bese mawungibuza ukuthi ngiphuzani yabe ngikukhomba ukuthi ngiphuza lokho. Makusizana uphuzani everyday mara once mara nani bo DK. Baba boyfriend. Bathi tanani lokho. Awustoko
hi
lokho.
keto
Imoto.
Kiva njalo
Awushaya la.
Shaya.
How are you? That's welcome.
Ukrendi nshaya. Ngono sasa nabe nishisa inyama.
Yo. Ngiyakhala kanjani nyama ewosiwe?
Umsuthukazi Nkosi yami abantu abaningi bakhala nge-network namhlanje.
Angihlala khona bayenza yazi nginami ngihalela inyama ebrake kahle nevori elimnandi. Oh,
Yo. Like I'm craving for
Awungasabi
it.
nakanjani. Sasa sabe shawa uvalo
Hi,
Nkosi yami.
Makalima.
Sabe shawa uvalo. Siya kusavana
I'm craving
siya
for it,
kublack siya kuma
okay?
assorted. Lokushawa uvalo kuphela. Ungitshele before usuka yabo kwenza ukuthi ngisale ngiba ready nami ukuthi yabo.
Guys, thank you so
uhlangana
much.
nobani?
Ubaba kaBoy.
Uzokuphuzisa isavana ubaba boy.
Sabe sikhafula so isivalo sithi 2. Sithi 2.
Hey Mr. D. Thank you
Hawa
Tato.
nakanjani? Awasali Nkosi yami nakanjani? Kales old term. Sabe siji savana Nkosi yami into eyikhala kahle into eyinoshukela.
Sengizwa ngaye. Mayise especially isavana sengizwa ngaye.
Avela athi
Ubaba
nami ngishaya uva athi stay
Hey,
ngathi
anganosteli.
ayena ishaya nje. Alright nje yamphumula Nkosi yami. Mpumisa ubona.
Guys, thank you for the
Sawubona njani?
likes.
Guys old term. Guys
Hey.
time 3.
Ubaba boy since uFaith wabaleka nisafuna ukudlala ama game wenze njani?
Awuthi uyabuya. Uyabo umsebenzi wobombambezi lazi abantu abasebenzayo. Abafani nathi omahlalela yabo.
Thank you Yero. Thank you guys. Hayi namuhla kubed.
Very bad.
This king.
Where's my charger now?
Thank you Njabulo for the taps.
Guys, can you have 10 roses where rosa? 10 yama rose noma rosa to activate the speed. Noma ningathephi screen nje. Yazi la imbone khona ukuthi kuphi kudlule enye MVP yamanje ayizange yabulisa nokubulisa. Ivele yadlula yahlala yathi shu.
Neyami kangahlale ngithe ngisambulisa mangibheka kuma viewers akasekho.
Banjalo mina uqale wakwenza wathi shu ngithi nyambheka ke. Manje kuma viewers bekakhona solo nyakhuluma hours a day hours yabo yancengela. Akazange wayingena indaba. Wangishayela bo unathi ngelinlanga Nkosi yami yo. Bathi kimi sidlala stand up game, i1000 stand up game ngithi sure. Hayi lokhu siyadlala 3 games nyana nje kungekho umuntu opunish omunye nequiet ingekho nje kungekho fika u500. Wafika lo bhuti wasifakela ama rose. Hey ama rose one ingathi ku quiet game uyofika nini ku1000 wajika wafaka ama donuts. Lokhu bemnyela ubhuti wabantu. Isibhama esiqhufuza lapho.
Yabaza abantu bakho mayise basukile.
Wasuka ku level 14 waya ku 18 same time. Isibhamu neGalaxy ayiqhufuza lapho. Baze bagcina bekukhala nathi bathi le gift yakhe ithanda amaraho. Wayilokhu ifuna sisukume ngethi umaphi wona amaraho ningazonginyanyisa sukumani. Kwaze kwashaya bo1. Lokhu bethi angeke isambe singakakusukumisanga la. Abazange bangisukumisa.
Nahle ilona yazi. Ngithatha ngani?
Yami ifuna ukuchargewa manje.
Yo.
Yami ngikhuluma nje isecharge ngidlala.
Ningiyokwena phela.
Overheat.
Screen onayi la. Phika lona benyona.
Ku35 hey inkinga ngifuna ukuthi yabo. At least ngizoyikhipha vele manje kwenzela ukuthi masokwehlela after 2.
Leo is back.
Leo is here, my queen. Queen Yam is here. Hey, yo, ke mo hopotse jwang. I miss her. Noma ngihleba uyazi uLeo ukuthi ngihleba ngobani, ngifuna ngobani. Yo, yazini.
Kendi yazi ngiyeme ubani namhlanje.
Uthi yena ubani?
Uphongo.
Sozoshaya thini?
Uthi bakabanjwe umsebenzi mara hayi manje sekazoceda is coming in full force. Hey ngijabulanga Nkosi yami. Ngimtshelile ngathi mawufika ngicela ufikele kimi Phongo. Ufune mina ukuqala. Esasene energy yonke.
Ezoshaya bamosla.
Ubuthongo Nkosi yami Njabulo.
Guys, all tap the screen and share the live.
Guys basifrozile manje.
Umuntu engasamazi ufezile ngisamazi.
And ushaya
Akusazonini.
ne-profile picture phezile.
Ngimbonini.
Akusho usu-active somewhere.
Mari gift level yakhe isafana.
Isafana.
Mm.
Yo.
Nami ngishaywa
Phela
luvalo.
inkinga ngumuntu naye kuyabe khona okumphethe yabo.
Ngiyabonga Sithando Uyede. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hi, guys.
We lost.
8 people.
Thank you so
Guys,
much.
8 people.
Ngiyabonga Nkosi yami.
Thank you, Njabulo, and thank you, Yedo.
Thank you to everyone who was
Guys.
tapping the screen for us, Nkosi yami.
8 people. Leo, thank you for the likes. Can we all tap the screen, guys? Can we tap?
Guys, you cannot tap the screen, guys. Let's all tap. Let's first give times 3, guys. First give times 3.
Ditabe, welcome in.
God of vengeance.
Wayne, welcome in. Daji.
Guys, times 3.
Yo.
God of miracles has won my battle for me. It's a miracle. Thank you, Njabulo.
Hi, Emmanuel.
Together forever. Hey. Ayizofika nakithi sovuka sicula yona Nkosi yami ngishayina. Ngizwa ukuthi ngicule Nkosi yami khona la ngihlele
When
ngithi
please tap.
So much,
together
Yedo.
forever. Uyabona ithi shu. Khahlela ifoni yowela le.
Uzophula ifoni?
Hawa, ngeke.
Yo.
Hey. Bese
Abo
ngiyayithenga.
put me bani. Hayi.
Nathi together forever. We are the
Shadow, tomorrow
university.
I'm playing a drinking game. You must come watch me getting drunk. You see, in tomorrow's game, if I lose, I'm gonna drink. It's starting at 5.
Oh, kani mawungena smoke wise pure ama times 3 amaningi so.
Yeah, mazi TikTok mas.
Wenza ngabo.
Izolo besifuna uQueen uze wayifaka iVolt Raw. Ispeed download.
Hi, cool.
Yeah, but the new Volts are nice. Bonele, the second one, the 25k one. Ngibona ku live kaloka TikTok.
Nyasho ukuthi hey nami uzimi sebemfaka kuphi Nkosi yami kuvuleka iminyango yegolide. Nyasho ukuthi awuwe kodwa nyasho ukuthi kwenzakalani wendala.
It's so dramatic though.
Mara yazi that
Iwesile.
moment. Yokuthi giant ivele nje usho athi bona igcwala iscreen. Ifuna thina ke le.
Ungalindelanga.
Yeah.
So nice to get a gift ungayilindelanga yazi. The feeling. Yo.
Le ifuna thina sivele sithi what the fuck is this? Yo, eish, that moment because ngiyabe ngiyibona ukuthi awu i-traveling yitu mara ngizobe what the fuck is this?
Guys, please can we tap the screen?
I-live yangichaza ngoba si-create ama-memories. Guys, can you all tap uhle? Sawubona ngithumelwe, sawubona unjani?
Hi, Liam. Guys,
Phela
I'm tip
kunjani
Nathi
kaya?
King. Nawe futhi. Guys, no.
Yazi lo malume lesitayela sakhe sokuthi every time uyangena la afika ahlala ahambe. Angisambulisi, ngimane ngithi malume ugrand ngisidule. Or ufuna i-energy yokuthi mina malume hayi ngeke Nkosi yami ngafa phela.
Hey Mukwena.
Ngafa Nkosi yami. Guys, can you all tap? Bathi nami ngisha. Understand.
Yazi homemade chips imnandi kanjani ugcine kudala. Yo.
Eish.
Ngicela yonhle.
Smalty.
I need to save a fragment ding lion.
Kanjani le filter vele? Leo isho ngifilter kuyapera ngiyamahlo. Imari ngenza ukuthi umlomo wami ube mkhulu. Enjani Ben? Mfondlozo unjani?
Yo.
Hi
Impilo
Pillow.
impilo.
My niece athi angifanele athi ngifanele le bloom. Ayi mina ibloom angiyithandi. Mina le bloom eli-white. Enjani?
Maye,
Guys, please
hey.
can you tap?
Yazi masihleli
Enjani
siyiqiniso,
Zimi?
ngiyakhumbula
Injani
sihlanu
le
kule
filter
ndawo.
yamehlo? You know, many people they thought they thinking it's makeup.
Aqobi ufake i-eyeshadow mina.
Kusho ukuthi yinhle ke. Ukuthi yenza ama-lips ami amakhulunyana cause yabo.
Unxumalo uthi ufuna ukufollowa lana wena uprivate angazi.
Awubuphithiwe
Unxumalo.
uncuma.
Lo ngimblockile.
Mina ngimutile
Abablokile.
ngapha. Mina ngimutile ngapha.
Ngimblockile. Ungifollowa
Mina
kanjani?
ngimutile
Ngimblockile.
kuphela ukuthi angaveli.
Ayahlupha.
Mlindo sawubona.
Angifuni abantu bahluphayo ku-live yami. Uyahlupha ngithi yani.
Kuthiwa uyahlupha fondini uyeva.
Uyahlupha.
Ncuma usazokuhlupha Zimo. Wamnaka futhi.
Uyahlupha.
Akathephi ngescreen, akayikho into ayenzayo. Wamnaka kukhomenta yena ayi-1 uzobona.
Uyahlupha. Hawu.
Yo.
Ke tlogele Leo.
Ezingasini.
Ngiyeke le. I-right.
What I did. Kuthiwa uyahlupha fondini uyamva mozulakhi nokeni.
Hi Victor. My niece athi akayithandi.
We. Ngithi
Uthe
inisi
kimi.
yakho ikujwayele ubuso thubuso yabo. Thina sikakujwayele ubuso. Thina
Hayi, athi ncane maka leyo ne ingcono yabona leyo ohlala uyenze ring light ibe bright uba ngathi isidumbu uba yellow. Sicela today yehlisa light. Utshentshe ngeke. Ayeke. Ngithi hayi angithi ngisuke yini le ring light phela ngiyajwayele.
Yeah.
I thought no, it's not. Shep.
Sokuyimengu zero.
It's not. It's not.
He has won my battle for me.
Le yami yo like. Ebusuku sesikhathele. Mase sifaka le hayi. Ubuyazi
Sokucinywa ngama-ring
ukuthi
light.
we are tired. Hayi, sikhathele.
I mean angizifakela idodo. Hi Anela. Ngizifakela inja.
Inja smart, inja nayo. Ma-pinky diz.
I like that.
Wait, yabona le eyama eyeshadow imnandi vele emini like ngigqokile maybe dress like ngibe nice nyana bo. Bese ngithi le yama lezi into lezi.
Kendo na
Like
usumuntu
kuba ngathi
nama-necklace ne?
ngine allergy.
Oh.
Ngiyayithanda
Ngase ngibone phela kublenka. Sorry ngiyasho ukuthi hayi phela umuntu kumele umbone kayi-1.
Ngayeka ngithi bengithenga lezi abolovisa nanani zingikhipha irash ngazeke into amambe iba mnyama.
Hlulali kahle uyedwa yeso ngiyabonga.
Every time I used to stream ngifaka i-chain. So inkinga ukuthi bengiyenza ngithi funeka zabo stands abo American Swiss yabo funeka lezo. Manje ayi mina ngiyithena zabo surprise.
Si allergic to i-fake.
Nabo lovisa. Yeah.
Asifuni.
Bengifaka yona. Bengihlezi ngifaka ukuthi mayibonga nginaki bengihlezi ngifaka ilona mangiya live. Bengihlezi angithi i-chain nafuthamela ne-tattoo yabo. Bengihlezi ngifaka. And yes, endlebeni shem. Angifuni kamanga ilapha engana next. Yabo di macici kako power a-R5. Awayenzi next. Ama indlebe zami hayi ziyazibhibha zenzini.
Mina ngangigobozile ngapha nangapha ngifaka amacici, ngifaka ama-necklace. Hayi manje hayi. Ngisafuni nokulibona icici.
Bala? Yes, ngiri ngayikenya none after 1 hour sengimnyama la. Asumnyama ukuthi uzothatha fast lapho
Ngathuselwa ngumalume wami wangihlalisa phansi. Wathi mtshana wena uyindoda usazokhula.
music.
Yabona njengoba ufaka icici so. Ma uzofika ejele. Ha wena vele sowumfazi already. Angeke awunaseye uzoyisho. Faka icici.
Yes, Tika.
Usile uyindoda. Asho ukuthi hayi malume ungasho kanjalo athi ngiyakutshela mtshana. Ngiyakutshela.
Thank you so much.
Cabanga sibathiza nomkhwenyana sizombona ubona umkhwenyana uPSile. fake necici koko irasta.
Yeah.
Bese next time uzomuntu uthi uyabuya uyangibuya emsebenzini emthola linganisa ama-weave namagiko wakho.
Jason, this tip is giving them.
Kayile
And Pascal Tots. Can we tap, guys?
Ata ave mfuna ukubona mamazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi nifila njani kanti we uhambe naye egroovini umbona bambi iStropez ajayivela le ngoma ethi awudlala kasirupe sesiwa awudlala kasirupe
Nana Inkosi yami.
asina smoke sawuthi oh
And we are all smokeless.
Ngiyaqala
uthi esegroovini siyazibona zimu ngcono
ukuthi
noku
bangafiki ku-100.
ubona amadoda anikezana ihaki bese ayenza so leso sokuthi sokukhuthana kesi
Jessica, thank you so much. Yes.
sinayivari banje labo kanti
Thank you so much,
Botepi.
Nyabonga Queenie. Thank you. Thanks so much. Leo, thank you, my Queenie.
awukadlala kazirupe sesiwa
Ubadoza, thank you.
nosingasawubona
Uzofika ekuseni mara.
Mina
Yeah,
uhlezi
vele.
afika.
Hayi,
That's why ngina
nafika ukuthi
stress.
fast,
Uhlezi
fast, just
afika.
fast.
Owami ekuseni uhlezi. Ama-fragment lawa ngiwathola intatha mina kuphela. So that's why ngana stress ngana smoke manje.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live.
Ayitebogo.
Mina ngikhuzele isitala sokuthi abantwana nami ngekhisimusi yabona abantwana ngithi uma begcokile ukhisimusi bathanda ukuya emzini yalabangani babo abadlala nabo bebonisana lento yokuthi ingane yami mayifikile kwakhona uyishaya i-OTD uyayiphenquphenqula heyi mama akho angaze akuthengele iskipa lesi ayisiyithandi vele phela uyayazi izinto lesitayile thothi ingane yakho uyovakatshela bese uphenqupe uyishaya i-OTD le uyayiphenquphenqula bu mama akho angaze kuthengela awu Komatsu my king, how are you? Athi mama akaze kuthengele lento so. How are you Komatsu? Kasi I'm long time. Aw Gods, how are you? What wena solo mara Gods wena ungayenzi so. Ungayenzi so.
Yazi nje masikala zithi 11 bantwana bayageza Merry Christmas. Bayakukotela lo munye bayathathana bonke so.
Enginayo ngokuya ekhaya manje umuntu uzomela avuswe ekseni engafuna uvuka kumele wenze breakfast ngelanga la iChristmas kumele uphile izinto engapheli manje kanti
Mina ngifuna
ukuhosta amaphini fanele ama Hungry Lion nama KFC we fake. Guys, can you have 10 roses?
Toma KFC fake.
Guys, 10 roses or Rosa to activate the speed. Guys, can you have 10 roses? No me Rosa.
Okay.
Just to activate the speed. Guys, can you try?
Hayi iyaqala ukuyenzakala lento leliyo.
Shoda why?
Guys, can you have 10 roses? Aza kusaveli nomuntu oyi1 azothi fahla kancane. Ngikwazi ukulala ubuthongo re.
Azoza ngo12. Labantu laba umthiba online manje.
Guys, can you have 10 roses or Rosa to activate the speed? Guys, 10 roses or Rosa. Ati bang. Ha nizophila 25 December nizogreatha niphile ne. Nizofundisa ukuthi that's why niba nemzimba enje inkukhu ayiphekwa kanjani especially uthola amagogo ani control. Hey nivundlisa into ezingavuthwanga kushayela icande liwome.
Anginayo mina inejalo December I don't know why.
Ayimi loyo.
Mina iyazifanela nje and I feel like ngizokwenza into
zami nje January 1 sakusiza inkosi yami ngoba into esihlale la siyibona.
Inyanga nje izokwenza uspend imali unnecessary uphinde
yabona uDecember be very careful. Alusha, how are you Karabo? Alusha ngicela ungisendele at me is grey.
Sebe baningi man labo December
Komatsu my king, are you still there? Yabo. Ngiyakutshela azi mina like uDecember ne abantu abamnaki. Ubheka inyama enichisa mandishile nifaka amasisigani niphinde nisnake ngayo manizwa ngathi inyama ungayishiba 2 weeks yonke manje yenza stew neshiya. Idliwa ke what day? It's very dangerous December. Makhelwane uvuka ngebri stand kunuka isisigane ekuseni.
And sibuye siyiqwele ngeyi-31st ngoba sonke sifuna ukubraya sifuna
And
ukushaya
i-31st
isilala.
bazospenda. And i-31st yikho kumele ube careful ngoba already ususiya kuJanuary the real problem. You understand?
Sisikhipha sonke
Yeah.
umhlobo ngeyi-31st singalali.
Yo.
Ubraye, welcome to South Africa.
Happy New Year.
Is it 25? Ha.
Eish.
Dry.
Mm.
And I don't know why abantu bengafundi because we always have about December and it's the same situation every year.
Like
Abafundi.
mina uDecember sengimthatha normal like noma ngathi 25 nje last year kushone nje ngisigcokela ishort nevest nje ngento engekho mara bengiphuza nje normal.
Ngomile ngiyaziphuzela. If bekuthiwa
Hey.
utshwala butholakala during the year, butholwa December, mina I will get
Golf
the hype of
GTI,
it.
how are you my king? Mr. Golf GTI in the building.
Hey, Andrew, how are you?
Angini
Yo.
December liyayi. Vele yangibhora zisuka mina. Ngemvula futhi into yokuqala.
Right,
Umuntu wathola ithenda leli lemvula leli uyayivulela. Hayi uyayivulela shem. Mtshela down ngimnikeza i-award yakhe. Uyayivulela shem. Umuntu wathi uNkulunkulu amnikeza ithenda lokuthi amanage imvula ukuthi uyibuyisa njani hayi. Yamnikeza award uyayivulela shem.
Ay, dude, lucky.
Uyayivulela uJakalasa ngimazi ubani uAbraham Noah mara hayi yena ithenda uyalishaya. Ngicaba uNkulunkulu umshayela izandla uthi hayi fanayo. Usoloku uthambe njalo phansi. Ngasi kudala uyibuyisa.
Thank
Guys,
you
let's all
guys.
tap. Thank you for tapping the screen.
Guys, thank you
Thank
so
you for tapping.
much. Yeah, boga.
Okay,
Guys, I'm shy in the 12. Ish. Now I'm waiting for you to.
Yeah.
After 12 kuzokhanya. After 12
Hey, I want to waiting for
kuzokhanya.
you today.
Lapha esikhona kunokukhanya. Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live. Nami ngisha.
Let's release the lion. Maungena la. Can you see?
Guys, can you all tap? Guys, first give 20 triples, ne? First give times 3. Guys, can we try? Guys, first give times 3.
6 minutes to
Guys, first give
12.
times 3.
Guys, please, I'm gonna need to guys.
Guys, first give times 3,
Please,
Nkosiyam.
thank you,
Faka,
Leo.
how are you, Njayam, Nkosiyam? Guys, first give times 3.
Okay, now I see it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's all tap.
Kanjani? Lo muntu uthipha kanjani la? I-TikTok maka nayo. Hayi. Hayi.
Na. Thank you, Ngumalo. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Sibu.
Oh, excellent. Okay. I didn't know it's not working. Hi, Mazama. Hi, bo. Why ain't getting on to Zen? Hi, bo. Why ain't getting on to Zen? Hi, bo. Why ain't getting on to Zen? No, told her. You're saying it. Hi, bo. What's Hallelujah streamer? How do I search?
Tell us you.
Sino big.
Ngithanda kabi lama yellow bone. Ufika nithi money gun. I've been drinking. Thank you, Sibu.
Why am I available? Because
7 more, guys.
okay, because this is my account straight.
Umduva akekho la.
Eh?
Akadlali nabomduva nabonodoli.
Udlala no. I can't even go in because the account I'm straight. Udlala no. Tingenze so. No Alisan, no Bando. Yile Ncasa. Yes. Yile Ncasa. No Alisan. Tingenze Alisan ting. Oh, what you can name and follow Alisan.
Nqumalo ngizomazela vino lakho ukuthi uyephi. Usuke waphakama wahamba.
Yo,
Thango.
ufortunate sakazana noSibindi. Yeah, small world there's
Ubani ufortunate?
Fortunate X, awumazi Fortunate X.
Ntombazana.
Mm.
Oh, I saw.
Sakazana noSibindi. Yeah. Uzoba ku-TV soon naye sombona. Thando Nesithembu, Pat season bani. Nguze i-training time man nyamazi ufortunate lo bamba. Hey, Sibindi. So I didn't know.
Sibu, how are you today?
Nabo.
Usibindi ukhona lapho.
Hayi, angikhulumi ngoSibindi, sengikhuluma
Ngamisa kancane. Oh.
uTyler. Hayi, mina ngithanda, I don't like ama-celebrity astreamayo. Hayi, Nkosi yami. Hayi, Thembi. Why? Hi, Malawi video. Follow my page at Malawi Team Soul 24/7. And thanks, guys, to follow me. God bless you.
I feel. I think I'm just tired.
Who goes to be vele and anoguga, are they dating vele? Like into abe real.
Angikazi ayobona lokho umfana oconfuse ngathi uloyo mina ngizazi.
Hayi, nabantombazana laba nabo bayadideka. Hayi, bayadideka shem.
Manje
Wonke
uyamgoza
intombazana.
uzofaka lengane encane uPeanuts kule nto yakhe.
uPeanut naye
Waphi be?
nalo mfana uFlex.
Peanuts.
Ubani Peanut?
NoFlex lokhu umfana kwesikolo lokho sokushaya le-trend labafana bayifu everyday.
Hayi no, Peanut ngiyambona ngathi benza nama-YouTube videos together. Umfundisa le mikhubo yakhe. Ngike ngabona naye e-propose uPeanut kule ntombi yakhe ubani uAkhanya.
Akhanya.
No. Guys, please can
Abana 16 bazini ngomshado jo. Yo. He.
Hayi bahlanyiswa yifemu.
Isezobanyisa. Hayi kancane. Bahlanyiswa yiyo.
Ababa, please
Ifeme
take the screen
yabahlanyisi.
from me, shem.
16 years. Ha.
Bahlanyiswa yifemu. Amasentinyana mhlambe
Thank you so
wasebawathola
much. Yo, Leo, hayi yaqhakenzana le ngibonayo today.
Guys, times 2. Shonza, my queen, how are you? How was your day?
Oh. Mangithayibona kantakazana. Yo. Go Slubi.
Oh, thank you, Shonza, with them roses. Thank you. Shonza, uhlube. Yena usitshela ukuthi njengoba kuso
Yeah, at 12. Usually I still know 12.
How are you, Shonza?
Thank you.
How are you? Angisakwazi Nkosi yami.
Forget guys to send our heart
Oh
meal.
yeah. Ish.
Thank
Namabaka na.
you. Lily Mashel, thank you. Ngiyabonga Lily Mashel, Nkosi yami
Now I
angisakwazi.
need to buy a gaming chair. I have a space for a gaming chair. I need to buy a gaming chair. I want to yeah.
Guys, can we have 1 rose to activate the speed? 1 rose, guys, to activate the speed. Guys, anyone with a rose to activate the speed? Hey, I'm good, Shonza. It's just that I'm still trying to even to them.
Hi Takalani.
Oh, thank you,
Njanti
Lily
ke?
Mashela.
Na.
I'm still
What
good,
is
Shonza.
not happening, guys.
I'm still hanging in there. It's just that today is very bad.
Good night, Sibu. Thanks for passing by. Okay.
Guys, on the speed, let's try to go hard.
Cabanga ukuphuza Miss Alba right now. Would I be wrong?
Ufuna ukuhambisa isisu manje?
It's over extreme. And Miss Alba
Understand.
isibuhlungu like izwenza isizoshila ufila like vele ufuna ukuya toilet like normal.
But it take
Guys
your
time
corner.
soon.
I'd rather drink castor oil.
But I feel like I need to do it because ngiyofaka obunye utshwala kusasa ukuze ngibe
Guys
right.
time soon. Oh, thank you Lily Mashela ngero.
Hi, Luanda. Hi, Pamen.
Omunye wathatha i-tip bag warura emanzini so yatshentsha ikhala kuphela. Wathela phakathi kwebhodlela le-tip drip. Bese abantu makashaya amashoti yabe lokhu eshaya amashoti e-rooibos nanithi awushaya amashoti e-tip drip.
No, kumele ivule on camera. Yabo? We must see you opening it.
Thank you, Pamen, for the likes. How are you? Good morning. Hi, Pilani. Unjani. Master Chef, please tap play. Oh,
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
please. Pamen, thank you. Thank you so much. Dashi, please tap. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the heart me. Please claim your points, ne? Dash. Please claim your points, ne? You click on the heart me, say claim points. Ngiyacela. No, ngincedile shield nani. Otherwise kube bangithola nge-fragment. Kube ngiluze i-fragment. Cabanga. Yo, hi Nkosinathi. Memento.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live? Guys, let's all tap. Oh, thank you. Thank you, my shares in Kosiam, my ice cream, Kosiam. So
Guys, can we tap? Lungi, please tap the screen. Peasant, welcome. Please tap the screen, guys. Young Kayla.
Thank you.
Thank you for tapping. My shares in Yabonga, Kosiam. Shown that my queen, thank you very much. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen.
The same guy.
Thank you, Busani, Kosiam. First time gift and get
The same guy, welcome.
Thank you so much, Mpho, for the likes.
How are you?
Guys, let's all tap. First gift on the time too.
Hi, MJ.
Oh, thank you, Lily, my shares in Kosiam Gabonga, my ice cream.
Thank you, Mpho.
Oh, thank you, Busani, Kosiam. Thank you.
Let me follow you, Mpho. Oh, I am.
Thank you, Busani, Kosiam. Thank you.
I am. Thank you, Lungi. Okay.
Guys, let's all tap the screen and share the live, guys. Don't get us tap in. Wenzani, can you restart?
What do we have?
Wenzani, uyeza? Mina yimi ngento yakarestart.
Udaba nje smoke masingekho noma unga-restartanga kanani.
Uyobuya ku-West.
Roses, guys. Hi, Lord Math.
Guys, can we have 2 roses to advert this page? 2 Yama roses.
Thank you so much, Lord. One more rose, guys. Any other
Guys, can we
person
have
with
2
the
roses?
rose? Thank Thank you, Lungi.
Lamana nice. Mashozi, thank you. Mara sesilate kodwa ngiyabonga. Azame usniper le game Mashozi.
Thank you, Busani and Kos. Now we've got the doubles, guys. I told her times 2 next door. Can
Ahikho
you
yena.
try to push it?
Ngidla ama-peanuts manje inkinga usefonini. Ngabe ngiyakudlulisela yabo.
Sugar.
Sida.
Sugar. Bengiwadla emini.
Mina ngiwadla every day inkosi yami yo. Senze ngathi i-addict kumele ngiwayeke ukuwathenga manje.
Every day. Kusho ukuthi amabhakede agcwele manje. Amabhakede agcwele. Hi, Mr. Kam.
Every day. Every
Thank you so
day.
much.
Guys, can you all tap? Akunamabhakede agcwele nkosi yami. Abonyamisa ama-peanuts, madanoni, yonke into nje ngiyayidlela. Nandlela uku-enjoy angidlela amabhakede kuzazenza. Awusenzo mawuthi sidla amakinati sithembeni. Wona mawuvana udla amakinati vana udlelani. Mina ngidlela uku-enjoya nkosi yami ungangifaki kule umcondo enesile.
Uyasineka.
Ngikhipha ukubhoreka.
Ngiyakuthola.
Ngiceda kuwarefila manje yabo.
Yo.
Ngangena mhlambe noma kusespa noma kuse-Shoprite jikeleza. Ngadlula tuzana ama-peanuts ngabheka kayi-1 angisadlu.
Uyawathanda ni?
Sinto amancane ngithi hayi simane siyangeza just in case yabo.
Aphela.
Guys anisasnayiphi vele ngeDonald.
Thank you, team. Thank you, guys. If you're still here, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Bego candy.
Namhlanje ubheda refe shem yazini.
Uyamthola?
Angazi ukuthi akekho efonini or njani.
Ngisathi ngiyanilala. Hey Tapi, how are you? Ubani nimedai?
Sibone ukuthi
Baba inetwork yami. My phone.
Your network. We're not aiding anyone.
network.
It's you want to add somebody.
Guys, let's go check the screen and chat live.
RPM. Happy welcome. Hi Charlotte. Hi Tediso. Hi Papa Ma.
Azizolo kunomunye umuntu bengidlala naye mina. Umbhore kokugcina. Azwenzani? Siyadlala vele. Sonke asina smoke. Yabo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lesi smoke usifikela kuye.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yabo.
Thank you, Lily, for the text. Yeah.
Sekathi last game siyahamba. Bese kwafika enye MVP. Yathi Galaxy kuspeed sokuqala.
Oh, you told me. You told me, Mina, that story.
Yathi
Guys,
Galaxy
ngicela
kuspeed
nithi
sokuqala. Kuspeed says 2 bekuyi times 3 yathi 2 yama Galaxy yathi diving wena. Lo girl wathi robo ma 10k something iscore to 11k. bamsnayipela ngama-handouts athi 11 point bani 11.7
Queen of
wascreama
Kikosi.
wathi bye-bye.
Ouch.
Senyaba mncenge nkosi yami asidlala igame 2 last games. Wala bye-bye
Thank you for the likes, dear. Ankananga.
Uphenyo uma ngiqeda kungena la, we were fighting to get his nuggies. Hey uphenyo mase ufika ismoke sami bafuna ukuthatha la nuggies athi angisadlali. Like guys, ama nuggies awasibhadali mos. Why can't you give me a game if I want another one?
Nawo.
And after that ngathola nje abanye abantu.
Can we tap the screen? Ish. Thank you, so welcome.
Mina noma mangabe batho
Thank you for the heart me.
besengibhalile ukuthi yazini I'm going. Ifike MVP ngiyayithulela angisago.
Even like if you said it's the last game, mina mangisend the game you accept the match.
Yeah. Angeke uloku question uthi yazimi you said it's the last game manje why? Usebenzisa ingqondo hlanganisa ama-dots uyabona na kwenzakalani uyapi you say the last game ngiyapi ngakubuza ukuthi ngiyapi ngifuna igift izibhale kuma-comments ithi bye see you ya ngisho ukuthi okay ngiyasho ukuthi hayi kuzwakela
Ay, Jessica, ay, Koki, yo, we
sebebhajetela uphiwe that's why bengasasigift.
Thank you for the popular votes, dear.
Ungathi ngicasula ukuthi yamo lana masikhuluma ngale match uthi uzothengisa noma yena khona ukuyithengisa for la match. Ngithi kanjani? Ngihlala lana ngistruggle mina ukusave i-fragment uthengisani makwenze njani? Yeah.
Yazi khona ama-stream ama-gifters amanye obsessed nge-gifting like ngathenga makana abantu amakara yi-3 athengise i-1 just for ukuthi mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi asize umngane or omunye eyo
Ngake ngadla imali erent. Ngizama ukusave abani igift yami noCandy. Uyayikhumbula? Candy.
Ini, dear.
Uyamkhumbula ulo angifuna ubiza ngegama man. Mina nawe master gift besi supporta yena beka
MVP.
Yeah. Ngikhumbula edlala. And manje sekashila ukuthi nazi student zami zikhona ibile wawukhona wena.
Yes. Phela mina nawe hlala support abantu abayi1. Bengicanga ukuthi ukhuluma senyazi lo wakudala lo mdala ngithi.
Ngithi ubani like because nami sengingconyiwe ukuthi nazi student sizonibonisa ubani.
Sizoyenzani? Phela ama level lawa phela thina siwathenganga. Yo, the level 30 yami le angithenganga. Sizoyenzani? Ay.
wadla imali erent.
And futhi zimi mina kakhulu bengihlala bekathanda ukudlala nawe ne. Bese ngisayidini like. Shayeni uzimi. Ngimenzeni uzimi.
Hey kusho thina ke makathi student zami kusho thina.
Ngibona ukwahle ukuthi hayi phela kukhulunywa nathi lana we must show off. Yabo. Ubani noCandy uyadedela. uCandy wayededela ke lakhe. So ahlakanipha manje. Wayededela uCandy. Bekathi makanathi siwu2 lapha siyibambi match. Ananesmoke ne. Like ngangisole ekseni mangithi ngiyabheka ngithi no man. Anginamali mina mas. Anyway imali rent lengisenzelana and then not even
this thing is addictive.
After a week wayese busy nabanye abantu sephumile kumina and I'm like Joe you don't know what I went through for when I was
mina futhi yabona le phone le so long aqala ugifta wonke umuntu engingamgifta big I'm talking about 10k kuyaphezulu kula so I know ukuthi wena ngeke ngawupha mali wena bengiscreenshota yonke into so long ngu level 11 ngale phone le level 11 until date whoever bengimgifta bengibheka la abo tebu laba Oh, bayangazi. Abo nja yami.
Njaya. Uke washo naye uthi unjaya yami ukuthi hey alungaphatha washo uyishaya yonke ibe mkhanyile igift galala. Yafana wayengazi muzi nokuthi yakhanya uthi phela namanje beyisamconfuse okhanyise engazi asithi uyamgifta.
Yo, futhi back then besingayenza ama-gift gallery bezingekho into zama-gift gallery zamanje eza-late last year bezingekho i-gift gallery beyingekho
Nalento yama-ranking, ama-daily ranking, whatever.
beyingekho ne-daily ranking beyingekho abantu bebaphusha basave ama-coins bagifte Sunday. Thank you so much for the roast dear. Beyingekho guys, hawu gifta khumula ngidlalela umngani wakho Zimi, maybe ukhona lapho ngisoba nokukhuluma. So hi guys, TikTok maybe not big day phela bengihlezi ngiku-A-League. I think maybe that's why nami benginesmoke shem esingasukumi phansi. Real gifters abangayazi real gifters ongayazi hello yakhe, those were the real gifters back then. Umuntu onyeke angene ku-DM yakho acela amanamba, umuntu onyeke aze akushele, umuntu onyeke azafuna ama-coins in real gifters back then. Umuntu afika akudropele 40k ahambe abuye kusasa ungamshekeli nane-life ahlezi aza kube makasapota abantu baningi real gifters back then. Hayi umuntu agifta bese 2 minutes uyobhizi uyak-DM.
Ngawukhala umbala athi yo streaming sakudala yo.
Oh yes, umbala uyazi back then. Ngithi umuntu oyi-1 asichufuzele sonke asenzele usuku umuntu oyi-1 asichufuzele sonke mawuthiyabheka hayibo uchufuzele bantwana kuma-rankings uku-80 something hayibo nawe futhi uku-40 something ubantwana ngithi umuntu oyi-1 ahamba so mawuthiyabheka hayibo uye kusiwe uye kulo uye kubani uye kubani
ampure funa uhlanganisa ama-streamers ikhanda fana nomzi ampure funa uhlanganisa ama-streamers ikhanda
everywhere.
Yo ngizibuza ngithi hayibo lo muntu la yo back then bekumnandi ama-gifters angayi ngabantu ukuthi hey ubani usile bona angayi ngabantu bamanje njengokuthi hayi mina uZimu uyangibhoka uZimu uyenze so hawu mangala umuntu akasagift okakasezi hey ubani hey phela sazibona thina
mina yazi nganginesmoke sokuthi ngiyathinta so ukuthi mangisho ukuthi Bhoza manje kumele kube so abuze ukuthi senzeni sibabi ngithi phezulu kwabo Bhoza wayibona i-Interstellar iphuma edlavini
cabanga na yabo 160
mina phela yazi u-Andresi nezimo wayengisendela ama-gift ngingawazi ukuthi aleyo okwangisendela i-universe khana ngidiscover ukuthi phela umuntu wangishaya ngenkunzi malanga ye-gift yabo mina ngangibona ukuthi together nokuyo Bhoza yakanrasa vele.
My first ngisane picture my first Interstellar ka-after ngisana la grandma angibeka ku-23k nginga-understand ukuthi 23k how many coins like nginga-understand i-box game chaza nje ama-gifts ukuthi thole singa-understand next ukuthi okay mawuthole le how many points mawuthole le how many usayikhumbula le gift le ayisekho ne. Thank you so much. Hi Antonio Lungi, thank you my queenie.
Yes, sniper ngayo Black Italian iTastela uyakhumbula?
Abo sports car singazicabangi. Oh guys, singazicabangi. Oh guys. So back then
bekumnandi ngokufana nehendati ku-Andresi
ngiyazi wake
thank you so much guys. Uthabang ngisho ukuthi Uthabang dala sigudla shem bangafika bo-KG asase very humble guys. Bekulwazi mibe kanasi ubheka la bekamncane kanjani ulwazi. Antonio, look at Lwazi.
Ama-donuts.
Look at
Ama-donuts
Lwazi.
anginonisile. We.
Look at Lwazi. Maybe she doesn't have this
Dala
picture.
niyiphusha Nkosi yami.
Let
Dala
me
niyiphusha.
remove the filter, ne? Look at Lwazi.
We Nkosi yami.
Bekangazi ukuthi ngeke ngastreama naye.
Kumele ukumsendele sona ukhohliwe.
This was 2023.
Thina manje
Imagine.
besiqala uba ne-TikTok.
2023. Come on, 2023.
Thina besiqala uba ne-TikTok lapho 2023.
Mina ngugogo wala.
Mina i-TikTok ngivule 2022 ngoSeptember.
Mina 2023 late. Abo TK Master, abasasa abo TK Master bangakajoli ku-TikTok. Yo, hayi ke guys.
Mini
When life was life.
i-live yami bengokustreama ngibeza abantu kufanele
Ufuna ukubonisa umama kaMpumi lesi pheke.
we
Thank you for that. Ngifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi uyakhumbula. Yo, yebo saba mangidlala naye. Yo. Athi wena utatazela usihlala udlala nami utatazela. Manje angisasabi any challenge. Hayi angisasabi. Babe ngonde kanjani nala.
ngikhumbula uNox zima songithembisa usodlala ngo7 wangaveli ngibizile uAndris nabo bathu bani lo
Ngilento
omnujida
wawucasukile kanje Mos. That's why wawucasukile.
wahlala 1 hour 30 from 7 wabuya ngo8 wathi yes so wakhuluma istory sakasikhumile bese wathi you can play ngathi ngidlala nawe 3 games kuphela Andres ngiyatshe dlala naye ngathi ngidlala nawe 3 games mangiceda ngisadlala nawe futhi wathi ubona ngathi nginamanga wathi start game yo
Antonio, how are you?
njalo Andres wayengalindi nespeed wayengafuni next ayikalindi khona
omunye bekuyilama era wabo lo nambona
Ubani lo?
Mr Black.
Mas.
As Mr Black, bekacubuza lomuntu. Yo, this is my favorite gift ke. I want sase khona yes. Sunset what back then.
Hayi mina
Buka izinto bengizikhipha. Buka izinto bengizikhipha like.
remember that day.
Buka izinto bengizikhipha. Buka. Buka izinto bengizikhipha.
I-pool party ayisekho nayo.
Ayisekho bengiyithanda i-pool party kuyikhipha. Yo pool party yo bengiyithanda. I-pool party shem angifuni uqamamanga. I loved pool party. Buka ngisadlala uMam Fortunate Khoza. Hey guys bakabida. Like TikTok.
Unfortunate.
Yes, buka bengi-MVP yakhe. Buka isakahle. Yabo yimi lokuqala lo.
Wawusafuna smoke Chomi. Wawusafuna smoke Chomi.
Nix nabo Ken Breeze. Kuze Ken Breeze ang-follower. Noma mfortunate kuze ang-follower. Bengi-MVP. Buka bengimgifta. Bengimgift Unfortunate Khoza. Buka. Sayikhumbula le ncwadi lezimi.
Yes.
I used to love it. I used to love it. There's no one.
I think abantu bapakisha imithwalo yabo ka-TikTok.
Hayi. Na favorite yaka like isporo.
eish siporo esivuthayo Nkosi yami
Nemani gani uyithanda kabi ulakhe.
yeah phela imani gani yabo inobu that 6 gani nyane yabo ukuthi mayingenile yabo hayi namhlanje kuyala
Yeah guys, thank you. Pool party. Yo pool party beyinhle shem. Bengihlala ngilevel up ngayo. Yo mangilevel up bengithanda yona. Bengilevel up mina angazi maybe nginstory that mentally ukuthi mangilevel up angilevel up nge less than 5k. Kuma-level 1 from level 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 angilevel up nga-less than 5k. Kodwa angiboni manje, hayi isimo sibucayi angeke. Ngisho ne-1 rose ngiyalevel up ngayo. Hayi angisazingeni. Serious, benginaba thing ubheka ama-screenshot like mangilevel up bengilevel maybe private jet, pool party. Bengithanda nani futhi thimbheke la. Cause nginama-video mangilevel up. Bengilevel up ngalezi zinto lezo kuphela. Phela.
Sorry.
Angithi bengiyenzela i-screenshot ukuthi i-screenshot mangisithatha sithi level 20 bani kube ne-big gift
Hayi thina manje
enkuyathi.
sesilevel lapha ngaleya gift.
Ne-rose.
I-coral iba yinhlenyana ine-respect inyana.
Yes.
So I'll just
Nayi trouble with you yakho. Like
abolindo sesenabolindo kuhle.
yeah, yo usamkhumbula uhambise olokaya emakhaya. Usamkhumbula Lindo? Yeah. When streaming was still streaming. Yo, hayi shem.
Mina umuntu wangithwasisa ku-streamer uSmile. Ngibona
Thank you
uSmile.
so much, Ngibonga.
Nguye wangithwasisa. Ngiqala wangitshela ukuthi ngizodlala nawe ekuseni yabo ngizokutshela. Angitshela ukuthi mayiso. Kunabo uma unenye gift yakho ayimthanda ukuyimemeza athi uma hayi yena wayeshaya Nkosi yami. Angimazi ichaya inoro yini.
Yo.
Lion and Lion Kitten.
Yeah, my first Lion and Leon. Ha! Score savele sandi 48,900. Umuntu akhona ugazi uthole ne-hello yakhe. Those were the real gifters. Yo, hayi shem. Enakasekho shem. Manje manje bagifta manje bayak-DM manje Nkosi yami.
Bake bahlanya
Kumele ukhulume naye ngenkani.
Bake bahlanya ngomunadi ukuphi manje?
Bengimbone today sithi ufuna i-lion. Esithi whoever umnikeza i-lion uzomupha i-universe.
Story lezo.
You guys,
Hayi mina ngo-1 ngishem ngiyolala.
Mina wana ngibona uzongishayela ngisahlala.
Yeah, hayi kubi shem nami angiboni.
isasekhona le ama-gifts laba angasekho. Guys.
Ne-gold mine ayisekho bengiyithanda.
Abo pragmatic basathi ama-pragmatic bese umuntu athi ngimthathela igifta. Lo muntu loyo ungigift from 2023. Hey guys, that with TikTok. Bese umuntu athi ngimthathela igifta. Yo.
The moment abantu be-realize abanama-gift umuntu gift umuntu afuna.
Hawu. Nazi screenshot kangabe ngidine 2023 yabo ukuthi unamba bazobona ziningi bekahleza bona every day beka bekunde kanjani la. Hey guys, abo KG agifta nge-backup yakhe. Hey guys, abo KG abothandile laba. Uphi vele
Ngimazi.
Naikho ikhona bengithanda nami shem.
I-coral man inaleya feeling inyana ngathi expensive.
Yo, hayi Simphiwe, how are you Queenie? Ngikhumbula le ntombazana yazi. Hawu, maybe uyayazi man, bayamazi abantu baningi. Queen, angazi ubani ba. Hawu, wangicela ne back then wangicela athi yo ngiyaku-box game ngicela uzuzongisupport yabo. Ngicela uzuzongisupport ku-box game. Obvious umuntu makakucela uyi-streamer. Obvious angithi nawe uzobuye sele uyazi ukuthi mina ngidlala ama-match uzoza ngithi nawe. Ngahamba ke ngaya kwenye i-box game angithi nafuthi ngathi uyi-Nigeria yini. Ngahamba ngayo ngathi afuna back then ngapha maybe 2 point something ngabuye. Ngicela ukutshela ukuthi azange wabisa lo ma-coin lawo. Azange unfollow azange. Wanke ukuthi hayi sekazowina manje ngimuphe 2.5. nama azange mangibuza ulona kodwa bekubuze bani ukuthi yo lo ntombazane ukuthi ucoach athi anyamazi loyo kube mina nguwe kube ngiyazi kube ngithe ungayi athi uyamazi and ngamlontuza ngamthola through yena vele ucoach lo ntombazana le ngamazi. Hey guys, when TikTok was still TikTok. Come on, Nale. I want to go for Miss M.
Oh, Pivel.
And I says,
Thank you, Maswazi. Mara khona la uthephe khona wabala amathepho akho.
Thank you so much, Lungi. Thank you, my queen. Woo! Title gifter! With web. Special guys, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Na guys ngidlala igame yokugcina le ngibona kusasa.
Hi Rods.
Hi nami sengizo.
Rods, how are you? Mina ngiyaphusha shem ngifuna ukudlala ama one-on-one. Ama one-on-one.
Hayi mina ngizophusha kusasa. Yo, hey ngeke.
Ngizobona emini inyanga.
Abo thingakazi abo welcome again kuyimi ngamfunisa izinto. Abo gift abo welcome again. Hey guys, ngizohlekisa. Bengiyi-moderator yakhe futhi. Hey guys. Hey, izinto zabakaza ezi. Yo we. Thank you so much for the donut. Angayazi life yenziwa kanjani ungena ku-ini. When TikTok was TikToky. Hayibo konje ubani lo? Who's this guy konje? Angisamboni. Maphuthuma bomjwayeni.
Maphuthuma ukhona.
Ngigcine kudala. Hey guys. Bheka nala MVP yami. It was pragmatic. Bheka nala, it was pragmatic. Bozo lo muntu bekaza njalo. Bheka nala, pragmatic. Oh manje. Nangu. Yakhumbula lo muntu bengikhuluma ngaye izimi. Uola, nangu Ola Awaye. Ngishilo kathi bani uyamanga nangu umuntu bengikhuluma ngaye.
Mas.
Yes. Sazi ngobani? Umuntu bengikhuluma ngaye ngithi mazi Ola ayikho umuntu bengamazi ku TikTok.
Ubani konje manje? Uyishintsha igama. Ukhona uyastreama naye.
Yes mama fortunate angazi ngithole nedonut yakhe. Buka nala ngi-MVP yakhe.
Angithi Candy sasifunda sicabanga ukuthi umuntu mayigift kumele uhambe nawe uyogift kanti umuntu unabantu bakhe.
Ngamkhumbula unathi. Manje uhlula nokuthi afake i-heart me yokuthi akhanyise igift le-level
Yes ngiyabonga.
kunzima. Uyafika la ashiye one perfume ahambe yasho ukuthi unathi inkosi yami.
Unathi kusho ukuthi akana coin.
Ukuthi akanawo.
Coin.
Shuthi akanawo.
Ungasadlalela kangaka like angeke kenze kanjalo. Akudlalela kangaka. Kusho ukuthi that time vele akanawo.
Sengisho ukuthi like ngendlela into ezitshentsha ngayo. Cabanga unathi.
Sibeshuzanayo.
Hayi Manikani bakayifaka. Manikani iGalaxy. Bengafuni ukuzwa next ngoCandy noZim. Hayi bangafuni ukuzwa next.
Mina futhi bekakuthanda kabi ukungishaya unathi.
Athi uZim. Ngithi pose yami yazini ngathi abasithathi serious. Sithinta kuphela sicela sibadubule futhi.
Hayi namuhla mina ngiyalala shena.
Hayi nami I'm going to sleep. Ngizobona ekseni.
Bathi baby.
Ngizozama ekseni. Sasa i-Friday futhi at least mhlawumbe yabo.
Mina futhi nophusha. Hayi mina navula emini. Mina iproblem yami ukuthi I don't open emini. I can't. I'm too busy emini. Angikhoni ukuvula shem. Noma ngithi ngiyazimisela ngenza izinto zami kahle there's somewhere kumele ngiye khona. Njalo kuvele kuqhamuke something. Hayi. Ngiyafisa ukustream emini shem but I can't. Tixi welcome.
Phela emini siyakusinokuvela isimokunyana esinye ungacabanga.
Vela vele. Oh.
I'm tired.
Phela umuntu angathola nane-hand heart today, yes. Not even 100 coins. Angingayitholi. That's why ngithi mina I need to open. Angeke. I need to open. I need to push. Ngiyenza ama one-on-one. One-on-one. Ngizobe starta.
Hayi mina ngizobukelela laba video kulala ngizolala soon.
Phela remember mina ngiphuze
Scroll nami kancane nethi le 20 minutes esene. Bese hayi.
Imali.
Scroll ambheka ama-post wami nani ukuthi yiphi yenza kahle ngenzi kahle ngiyayikhipha phela yimini boss.
Okay guys, ngizonibona kusasa.
Thank you.
Alright.
Miss. How are you?
Good night.
Hello. Good night. Good night.
All right, Miss.
Good night.
How are you?
Thank you so much,
Jasmine,
Lungi.
how are you, TM?
Thank you
How
so
are you?
much. Hey, important guys. Ziqedwa ngani vele? What can I do?
Mina besikhona mina ngithenga idumu.
Yo. Oh, idumu ne? Yenza. Mina ngithenga le orderless. Yo, I can't. Bengithi ngifaka lento le lona manje eish. Manje uyenza kanjani ngoba like impukani mawuyisondela phambi kwayo iyabaleka?
Hayi phela
Nana.
it's not meant ukuthi mele uyishaye vele same time ivele ifefe manje. Like ngabona ukuthi zingenini.
Thank you, Queenie.
Ngivala umnyango.
Yeah.
Man ngiyaspray ngivala umnyango. Mangivula ngeke sezwa raso rozabe seziwele kuphi sesifini.
Thank you for the hard meat, yeah.
Manje kuthulile ngabe manje
uyaspray bese like you spray ne and then uvala umnyango.
Just for 10 minutes nyana 5 minutes nyana.
Yabo
le smoke lesesithi mawungena angeke uzwe imizuzu.
Yeah, I think I need to buy le orderless. Ngispray la cause aku mosquito. Ngivula window kayi-1. Yes. Ngiyazisola.
Especially thina yazi mina ngiyenzaka ngabona ukuthi case oku6 6:30 okumnyama vele. Ngiyaspray nanoma sivala umnyango. Sime ngaphandle for mhlambe 20 minutes cocanyana yabo. Bese masingena sivala umnyango sazi ukuthi akuna mosquito akunanto ezolunga.
Yeah. Hi, Emnis. How are you? Dr. Roddy, welcome. Thank you, my title gifter. Thank you so much, Nana. Thank you so much, guys. Big B, welcome. Please tap. Please uthatha nama means wakho. Thank you, Big B.
Ngizoyenzani ngawo Nkosi yami? Ayikho into engizoyenza.
Ngidefini ukuthi udada kuzovela vele. Hayi.
Nana ukhathele ushilo wathi naye ukhathele namhlanje.
Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Nana. Hi, Black Prince.
Khathele.
Thank you, Queen.
Guys, ngicela ningithepele iscreen Nkosi yami.
I do. I never thought of it as. Because I wanted Bengithi
namaphele yawashaya. Namaphele. Strastele, how are you, my queen?
Bengithi ngithenga that thing. You see that thing? Lo hi Kanya. How well into le plakayo? Bese iyayizibaba ngathi ishma. Imagine you are eating and that thing iyalenga.
Oh.
That thing ekubamba intsinti.
Ifuna le ifuna
hayi.
mhlambe somewhere kubo kitchen okuphekwa khona le emnyango wasekhishini ngaphandle hayi endlini ayisiyokulenga endlini.
Maseyigcwele nkosi yami
Ilenga
iyanyanyisa.
ngaphandle uyifaka thuza nasemnyango vele ukuthi mayigcwele angithi impukane zithanda
Ah, guys,
Strachtelia.
who's sniping?
Strachtelia, thank you.
Who's sniping? Guys, they're sniping our game.
Strachtelia, my queen.
Hi, Dashi. Hi,
Besafuna
Mikuo.
sound.
MJ, welcome.
Guys, there was trying to snipe again. Thank you, Strachtelia. How are you?
Who is
Strachtelia,
that?
thank
Who
you.
is that trying to
She's
snipe
my
my
queen of the
game?
queens, this one. She's a queen.
Hi, Martin. Mikuo. Mikuo, thank you so
Guys,
much.
they're trying to snipe.
Mikuo, thank you. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you
Thank you,
so
Strachtelia.
much,
Thank you, my
Mikuo.
queen. Kosiam.
Thank you.
Guys, they're trying to snipe.
Thank you so much. Thank you, dear. Big B, thank you for the likes. Yo,
Guys, don't let them snipe our game. Ne? They want to check our 4-win. If they put a donut,
hi,
you are
Tani.
finished. Guys, if they put a donut that side, you are oh, guys, they are putting a cloud.
How many
Guys,
do
they
you
are
have,
putting a
Lungi?
cloud. Guys, they are putting a
How
cloud.
many do you have? Dash inkosi yami nge-GG. Yo, zwenza ukuthi amanye ama-gift angangeni yabo. Oh my
guys, they're
God, Lungi, thank you
sniping.
so much, Queenie.
Guys, they're sniping.
Thank you. Dash, when you send a loan, no.
Guys, they sniped with a donut. Thank you, Strachtelia. Thank you to everyone who was tapping. Guys,
Dash,
they
please
sniped our
don't put
game.
one coin gift on the glove, please. Because of mawufaka i-gift ye-1 coin, ne? Umuntu we-big gift makazafaka ngeke lisashaya because lishayile kule ncane. Hence, we like to say, guys, at least put finger hearts or put donuts. You have 4, yeah? Okay. Thank you so much,
Strachtelia.
Nana,
Thank you
with
to
the glove.
everyone who was
Lungi,
tapping.
another
Kosiam.
glove. Dash B, Mikuo, thank you. Rather do a finger heart. Don't put a rose or a Gigi or an ice cream. Let's spoil the
Guys, let's all tap the
glove.
screen and share the live, guys. Let's all tap.
Hi, Mr. Apani. You've got 4. Our expiry.
Guys, can you
Hi,
all tap?
Caesar.
Guys, first give 20 triples, guys. First give 20 times 3. Guys, on the triples.
Maybe on the triple. Caesar, please tap the screen for me.
Guys, times 3.
Guys, if you can hear me, if you can see
Sawubona,
me,
mfana.
you tap the screen. Hey, Jesus! Jesus!
Oh, Strachtelia, my
Welcome.
queen. Weepy, thank you, Strachtelia. Thank you.
Yeah,
Weepy.
guys.
Daya, Tina. Thank you,
I
Strachtelia.
can play by TK.
Yes,
It expires in 3 days. Yeah, we need to use them. Yo. We need to use them. We need to use
thank you,
them.
Strachtelia. Thank you.
Thank you,
Guys,
Mr.
let's keep on tapping.
Pony. Thank you for the likes. Let's keep on tapping, guys.
Let's keep on tapping,
Let's
guys.
keep
Don't let
on
them snipe like the first
tapping.
time.
Thank you, Nana, for the likes. Thank you so much, Lungi, for the likes. Thank you, guys. Hi,
Strachtelia,
Kicks.
Kosiam, you are the best, Shem. You are the best, Shem. Guys,
Thank you for the
guys,
heart,
can we have 2 roses
me.
to activate the speed?
Way.
Guys, 2 roses to activate the speed.
Kulimini, thank you, my
Guys, can we
title
have 2 roses? Thank you,
gifter.
Strachtelia.
Guys,
Guys,
can I have
one more rose.
one more?
Guys, one more rose from a different person.
Stella, one
Guys,
more,
anyone
guys.
with a rose.
Just one more.
Guys, one more rose.
Thank you, Nana.
Guys, one more rose.
I think, can we
Guys, one
try?
more
Thank
rose.
you, Pani.
Kirani, Terry.
Can we try on the
Guys,
speed?
can you have one more rose? Guys, one more rose.
Black Prince,
We
welcome.
don't have
Can we
speed.
try?
We don't have speed, Strachtelia,
Don't
but
have-
don't worry.
Hi, Litabo. Can we put a glove?
They're using
Maybe
cloud.
we'll try. We need to try. If oh, Ngosiami Kiksi with the popular vote. Oh, guys, I just explained. No one coin, one 1 coin gift on the glove. Iyenza ukuthi gift enkulu mase ingene ingashayi. Kuzoshaya le 1 coin. Hence I'm saying no roses, no 1 coin gift on
Guys,
the
they are trying
glove.
to snipe.
Thank you so much.
I don't trust
Nana,
them.
please
You know what they
don't
did
use
last
the
game?
glove if you're gonna send something your 1 coin, ne? It's gonna spoil the glove. Yeah, rather use the speed. Don't click on the glove if you are sending less than a rosa. Please, guys. Giyanicela. Please. Hi, NK. Imagine ishaye ku-1 coin yakho sithole 5 points. Kube beyishaye ku-donut, it was gonna be plus 150. It was gonna be 150, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 150. Kube manje ku-3 something. Mazi, welcome.
Okay,
How are
let's
you,
all
Mazi?
tap with her, guys. Don't let them snipe, guys. We're only a minute and 20 seconds
Don't
left.
let them snipe. It's a sniper. How? Don't let them snipe, Yani.
Yeah, they won't let you, I know. We're just watching you from behind the scene.
Hi, Simpi. Behind the scene, Yani.
We are watching you. Behind the scene.
I don't know why. Oh, it's because of I'm charging. Mang press phone like I press it.
More charger very so.
Hi, Rods. It's a booster for number. Put it love. Put it love, Lungi. Please put it love.
Guys,
Rods,
we're only less
welcome.
than
Love,
we're only less than 40
love.
seconds left, guys. Less than 40.
Tabi, so welcome. Lungi, can we have it love, please? Yeah, I think it's because of I'm charging. I think it's because of I'm charging. That's why. Makumalo sawubona. Guys, you click on that love, it's gonna
They're sniping.
Alagasha.
They're doing us bad.
Thank you so much, dear.
Oh, Australia, they are doing us bad.
Lashaya. Lashaya. Hi, Rorisani.
Oh, thank you, Australia, Nkosi yami. Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen. Thank you, my team, Nkosi yami. Thank you very much, Nkosi yami.
Lashaya, guys, whippy MVP. Thank you so much, Nana, with that love and a power up. Kicks, thank you so much with the power up and the timer. Apani lungile. Babomulunye. Bambolunye. Dash and Caesar, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Whippy, 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 whippy.
Relax, Antombo. Just relax. We're gonna come for you harder. Harder. Guys, first give time too.
Thank you so much. Thank you, dear.
Guys, first give time too.
Ngiyabonga.
Guys, first give time too.
Hi, Tapelo. Big B, are you still here? Because not also tape PCC. Guys, in network. Hi,
guys,
so
first give time too. Guys, first give time too.
Yeah. I don't think Big B is still here. Singing the song. Kuneglitchinyana. Thank you, kids. Hi, VP. Guys, anything on the doubles? Lulwandle, unjani? Hi, Ntando. I'm gonna need to pay guys so that I get 3 points. When you tap the screen, I get 3 points, guys. Nyancela, I get 3 points. So I'm gonna please tap the screen. Tap the screen. Tabang Masimola, please tap the screen. Hi, Tanesh. Please, guys. Please. Hi, Mazia. Unjoni. Felicia. Kicks, thank you so much. Tabang kupon tap the screen. Yabang for the follow, but please tap for me.
Guys, can you have a rose to activate the speed, guys? Anyone needs a rose?
Kicks, thank you.
One rose, guys, to activate the speed.
Sorry. Hi Trevor, hi Annie. Welcome in, guys. Annie, thank you for the likes. How are you?
Guys, can you have a
Thank
rose to
you.
activate this speed?
Hi Tumza. Thank you, kids. Thank you so much. Thank you
Guys, can you all tap?
so much. Ngiyabonga. Hi Mamtolo. Njani Stufuza. Hi Trevor. Mamtolo Stufuza. Guys, can we tap? Hi Bomu. Can we tap, guys? Can we tap? Can we tap? Buntle, welcome Buntle. VP, are you still here? Bye, my queenie. Good night, Jazwa. Go put my number lodo. Go put my number lodo. Guys, we need to tap the screen, guys. We need to tap the screen. We need to
Guys, let's
tap
all
the
tap.
screen. No more, sir. Welcome. We need to tap, guys. We need to tap the screen for more viewers. Oh, you're still here. Okay, dear. Yebo. Waphuphe Nkosi yami. Hi, Maz. Hi, Peggy. How are you? Ngiyabonga for the likes. Ngiyabonga, guys. Akungithephe the screen. Ngiyabonga, Mazia. Hi, Melo.
Guys, let's all tap. Zota, how are you? Zota, Zota.
Hi, Osmomo. Hi, Kacheni. John.
Kitshwere banna ba 21.
Isakusogolisa i-ring light yakho namhlanje. Hi, Alex.
Ngabe ngiphula unyaka namhlanje ngabe ngishalela phansi. Serious, le vele yenye ophula ngawo unyaka.
Excuse me. Nginithenge enye. Mina uthenge nje enye.
Akusizi. Cabanga phela sokuyi-December kwevele isimoke esinye sokuthi yabe.
Thank you so much. MVP, it's Kixi, guys. Kixi, thank you so much, dear. Ngiyabonga Annie, Dashi, Mazia, VP, Tabang Nulu.
Thank you to everyone who was tapping the screen.
Thank you for the likes. Yeah. Hi, Tiseto. Johnny. Guys, only 3 people are tapping. Hi, Victor. Can we all tap, beautiful people? Can we all tap, guys?
Guys, first gift on the time so.
Can we all tap? Now it's 4 people. Kicks. Thank you so much, dear. Now it's 4 people.
Guys, can
It's
you
4
all tap?
people.
Oh, Vindi SA, how are you?
Hi, Taku. Taku. Money, thank you for the likes. Kaleboha. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, Coco. Hi, Cornele. But I see so much.
Can after this game ngizovala nkosi yami I'm tired.
No problem. No problem.
Angazi
No
ngizizwe ngikhathele
problem.
kanje.
Thank you, Kicks. Hi, Winnie.
Njalo mekhelo nasikonto ekota kangaka unobani ngaphana. Unobani.
Yo.
Azi nje ngiyayifuna mara ngeke ngithengi nje emchashweni.
Aleso lencane. Like lencane.
Funa enkulu angifuni nje encane, funa enkulu le amabhobhulu.
Yo ngathi yawona ithenge seyiluma mustard. Uyithene ukuthi
yeah.
ngemanten. Uyithene ukuthi ngemanten iluma mustard. Fudi red Nkosi
Uthi
yami.
wena nangabe uvelelwe inkinga awuna mali rent usathi usazocolisa bese injiluma umastand.
Ayizobibona ngazathi uyayi-attack. Umastand
Ayikho imali
uyak-attack.
yamadog more bese indubu umastand. Eish. Ngapha nawo una mali ukuthi usathi usazocolisa.
Nkosi yami.
Ngifuna nje enkulu. Lezi ezincane imigodo yaselishini angifuni. Funa leyo ukuthi mayihamba noma kubone khona inje ethusayo noma ngathi hayi lumi kendo ozoyibamba usabe uyibona ukuyibuka nje uthu yeah.
Eish. Ngithanda lezi ezincane lezi.
Khona lokho kurasa uncancane ay kanjajisa.
Yamavukuvuku le engathi amavukuvuku nyana ori. Yiphi?
Hayi khona okunye okuhle sokungumavukuvuku nyana okuyichiwawa. Bese khona okunye sokudweni ungathi ikatsu mara akunaboya kudweni bese kuba nendlebe ezimile. Akuthi
Onyebo.
awungakhuli.
Niyazibona lezo.
Awungakhuli.
Ngiyathanda i-pitbull ne ukuthi imbongo ukuthi i-dangerous man. Ngithanda i-pitbull ne.
Mina i-pitbull straight angiyifuni, ngifuna ibhobhulo. Yabo, leno enekhandela ingaka so nomlomo ongaka.
Ngithanda i-pitbull ngoba ubhuda mina.
Futhi ibhobhulo.
Ngisijwayele ukuthi nje imbongo ukuthi zi-dangerous man.
Or ngithole irohla, yabona
Ngithola
irohla.
i-pitbull seyidliwahile wami. Yo. So ngibona ilokho ukuthi uthanda yona.
Inja phela kuya ukuthi uyifundisa njani. Akhilwa khona mela mayisasemncane kube uyoyiphakelayo.
Seyilambile la.
Injani?
Indlu mntanami.
Angeke
Siyilambile la.
angeke ikanoni uyabuyilambiselana.
Hayi, people nje.
Yabona inja uyayifundisa nje uakhile sokusase uyiphapi kube lokho ayinikeza ukudla imjwayele yena nawe sometimes yabo angeke isayenza next.
Seyikwatile yabona uwahile engangamuphi ukudla. Seyamlandela. Hayi. Hi Slindile. How are you, Queenie? Yo. What's up? Yes, up.
Lama sweet mnganami. Zobona kusasa Friday.
No problem, no problem. Nami ngifuna
Sasa ngiyostreama vele tothi ku-Saturday angazi njani mara angazi mase ngithi ngiyastreama ngashawu 3 si-stream.
Okay. Guys, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga
See you
Kicks
later.
Dash. Okay, no problem.